Look at this new 2012 Ford F-150. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 5.0-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the front license plate bracket, California emission system, 6-speed electronic automatic transmission with on- to with-haul mode, XLT series order code, trailer tow package, XLT convenience package, XLT plus package, XLT chrome package, 5.0 LFFV engine, dark blue pearl metallic, steel gray, premium cloth 40/20/40 split-bench front seat and a 3.55 axle ratio. Call 800-584-6486 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.